I'm trying to do now is I'm trying to just do a little bit of grass silhouette, and I'm silhouetting it against the darkness behind it. Can you see what I've done there? See that little bit over there? Alright, so we push it through. Run it through. Okay. Alright, can you see what I've done there? See, I've just silhouetted that against it, but I haven't spent hours drawing it in that there. I've just taken my pastel and I've just flicked it up. Right. So what I'm trying to achieve here is a nice strong strip of light that's coming through. Alright, so we do that there. Our next stage here is we want to sort of deal with this foreground area.